During mania, there's a heightened sense of awareness, and our perceived perception, our perceived division of the subconscious and the conscious is sort of, that disparity sort of becomes blurry.
Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Sound, it's out of key, but it's, technically it's in key, but in dissonance. With natural language processing, because they both consist of the same abbreviation, NLP. But
there's a lot of relationship, because in art you have composition. Art is composition, it's self-explanatory.
More of an introduction to mental disorder, because so it's hard to put it into perspective in terms of what of the subsets: phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, and pragmatics.
Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception.
Trajectory that occurs.
We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.
Persuasion.